Okay, we're taking her off the jack stands. We did the transmission control module reset. It went through all the gears. It went into reverse. Ran up to 80 miles an hour on the jack stands. I'm ready to take it out on the road and see what we got. Okay, the follow up after the road trip. The good news: transmission shifts, works. All that suspension work in the front end.
Yeah. The
it's like it needs
the front end's completely rebuilt. New control arms, new tie rods, struts, bearings. So you can look at the front end of the vehicle.
It's
and
way out of
you
line.
can see the tires they're in. Even though I counted the amount of turns for the tie rods and everything, so they went back the way that they were supposed to. But I think first step tomorrow is probably rotate the tie rods out about 2 turns probably to start, and then just take it to somewhere
to an alignment
for a professional alignment. But transmission went through all the gears, everything's good. It's not shuddering, it's not doing anything stupid.
Awesome.
So
and that's about a half quart load of fluid.
It's still about half quart low.
Awesome. All right. Thank all you guys on ChryslerMinivan.net for your prayers and support.